Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick review on both of these pellet smokers. One is a vertical pellet smoker made by Pit Boss, and the other one is a pellet smoker and grill, also made by Pit Boss. Looking at both of these units, this is the Copperhead 5 vertical pellet smoker. It holds 60 pounds of pellets, which is plenty. You can easily cook for 30 hours without having to put more pellets in this thing. It has 5 racks. It has 5 racks to cook on. I think rated for 1,700 square inches of cooking space, so you can do plenty of beef jerky or pulled pork or pork shoulders or 6 briskets on here very easily. And this one has a digital controller. You can see here it goes from smoke to 400. Also has the option to put 2 additional probes in there. You can put the meat, and you have a drip pan down at the bottom. You got your pellet pot underneath that protector there, and then you have a water pan, which you do need to fill up with water when you're using this unit to stabilize the temperature. It does have a window you can see your food in, but as you can see, after a couple of uses, it kind of just gets pretty cloudy. You really don't. You can clean that. It's kind of a hassle, but you can clean it off. But yeah, after a couple times, you're pretty much Windows useless. And back here, you can see is where you load the hopper with the pellets, and it has a clean out door back here, and then the actual auger and fan, everything's at the bottom side of this unit. Really like it. I mean, it's has plenty of space, and but if you want to try to grill or do anything like that, it's not very practical. It can be done, but this is just a smoker, or some people would want to do like cold smoke on this. It probably won't go that low in temperature, but you could do, you know, salmon, smoked salmon, or beef jerky. And so it does have wheels, so it's pretty easy to maneuver around, and pretty solid construction. Now looking at the Pit Boss Austin XL, this one has about 1,000 square inches of cooking space. Comes with a 34-pound hopper, which would be more than enough to run for about 24 hours, which I have, and worked great. Has a very similar controller. This one you do get a little bit additional control with regards to a P setting, which allows you to give more or less smoke intervals or within the controller, which is a nice feature which you don't really get with the Copperhead here. Also has a viewing window so you can see where the pellets are, and a lower rack. This one has wheels front and back, which makes it very easy to move around, and a side rack with holders for the utensils, and it does come with 2 probes with the unit. Let's open this up. So this one you can easily do 6 pork shoulders, probably maybe 3 large briskets, and then you can also grill on this. It'll go up to 500 degrees, and there's a plate here you can open and allow direct flame to. So after using both of these units, I think if I had to go with one of them, I would go with the grill Austin XL, just for the versatility of being able to smoke as well as grill your food, which is a really nice option, and then also the ease of being able to access your food. You can see I have plenty of space here to move things around if you do burgers and so forth. This one you kind of have to pull out the racks to access, which not a big deal. So it's all depends on what you plan to do with it. I did find the temperature varies significantly more on the vertical smoker, plus or minus 50, even 100 degrees, which I called the company and they said that was normal for this unit. I thought it was excessive, but the food has come out good every time. So and on this one, lot more stable temperature, and a very solid unit. This is about 200 pounds and very well built unit. So that's my quick review on both of these. Highly recommend either one, but again, if I were to choose just one, I would probably go with the Austin XL grill and smoker for its versatility, its temperature control, and also the ability to sear steaks and food as you're cooking. So, all right, thank you. Thanks for watching.